Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. You know how we always talk about the future of tech? Well, it's here and it's sitting right on our face. But the XREAL One AR glasses that are making our smartphone feel a little outdated. Imagine checking your text, watching a movie or navigation the address of New York without ever pulling out your phone. XREAL One isn't just some clunky combat from a sci-fi movie. It's real, it's light and it's shockingly smart. Don't skip this video till the end, and if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. This thing is packed with seriously next-gen features. Spatial computing real-time motion tracking HDMI OLED display. And it's all powered by XREAL's new Spatial processing unit. That's a fancy way of saying this. It understands where you are and what you are doing, and it responds like a pro. Let's select visual, each lens acts like a floating. 130 screen crystal clear and no lag, no eye strain. Whether you're gaming Netflix or gaming with your Xbox on the go, it's immersive without feeling overwhelming. You are not staring at a screen. You are inside it. Navigations are breezes too. You have got into hand gestures, presses, hand tracking and voice commands. Plus you can pair it with your smartphone if you perfect a more tactile controls. It's like a best of both world AI freedom and practical control. This isn't just a cool toy, it's practical. Working remotely, pull up multiple virtual screens where you are. Students, say goodbye to paper. Your notes front right in front of you. AI navigation overlay make sure you never miss a turn again. It's like having a journey from Iron Man, but on a budget. And don't worry about looking like Zabri. XREAL kept it clean, sleek design, super lightweight and actually wearable for long hours. You will forget you are even wearing them until someone asks, what are those? So is the XREAL one worth it? If you are into a tech productivity, yeah, it is no longer coming. It's here and XREAL might just be your best entry point. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, so subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.